Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a song from Spotify to your TikTok. So the trick here is that you will use another app apart from TikTok to add music. Because if I upload a video on TikTok, they will only allow you to add music that is in their TikTok library. Here when I click on edit and add sound, you will see limited songs. But you don't want that, you want to add another song that is on your Spotify. So for that you need to go to your Play Store and then search for CapCut and then install this. So this is the video editor, and now you want to download the song from your Spotify. So for example, if I want to download this song Shape of You, then you need to go to your browser and then search for mp3 juices, mp3 juice, and here search for Shape of You or any of the song that you want to add, and then click on download. Now you can see that in my downloads the song has been downloaded. Now you want to go to the video editor and then click on new project, and here select the video that you want to upload to TikTok. Click on add and then click on the audio in the bottom bar and then tap on sounds, and here you need to click on the folder icon and then select from device. So this will open up all the songs that are on your device. So this is Shape of You. I will click on this one, and there you go. You have added a Spotify song to your TikTok. Now you want to download this. For that you need to click on the arrow on the top right, and this will start exporting the video to your mobile device. So I will meet you after it has been done. Now you just need to go to your TikTok and then click on the plus icon and then choose the video that you just exported from CapCut, and here you can see that the music has been added. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.